Hey, it's Culper Woodhull,
and the Lock Picking Kid.
and today we have a package from Southampton Lock Picking Club. It was very kind of him to send this out. He said he'd send something out, and it just surprised me that it showed up today. So, first off, I'd like to say I'm really sorry to the locksport community, the people that I'm subscribed to. I tend to pop in and comment quite a bit, but I haven't been feeling great lately. I'm sort of getting out of the gutter now, and hopefully I'll be back at it in a few days. But we still have been picking. LockPickingKid has been working on
The Chicago duo.
which is where's that at?
Right.
He's working on the sideways. I don't know if I'm gonna.
For some reason, I just can't get those
The 3 side pins.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're working on it, and of course I'm working on a Kaba Expert, and that has 22 pins. So that hasn't been fun. I've got to the halfway point 3 times actually, so that's pretty cool.
That's 22 pins inside there?
22 pins, man. So that's quite a bit. But let's get back to the matter at hand. So again, I'm sorry we have not been making any videos. And there was, where to have it written down at? Skull Picker, sorry. I meant to make a video for you for your 100 giveaway. So, there's a lot of stuff I've been missing out on, but life happens. I think we could all understand that. So, but yeah, let's get this thing opened up. I did read the letter, so thank you so much, Southampton Lock Picking Club. I don't know where to start here.
I remember watching one of his videos before.
Oh yeah? You know what it was about?
I can't remember. It was quite a while ago.
I think he's been working on a new place, right?
What? I don't get it.
He's been fixing his place up. Remember that one?
Yeah.
Okay, so there are 2 packages. If I read it, yep, correctly. So this is the LockPickingKid's. This is, of course, mine. And who should get to open theirs first? LockPickingKid, me or you?
I think you should open yours first.
How kind of you, but I think I'll let you go first.
Okay.
Okay, so LockPickingKid. Let's see here. Open his first. Just want to make sure I get all the Sharpies out of the way. Watch your hands. Watch your hands. Yeah. Just in case I don't want to slip. This thing is sharp. And you really do have to package these up. So this came all the way from.
Oh look, that's even my LPK thing.
Oh, you did put LPK, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
Clever. I don't know if this is the way we're supposed to open it.
I think we're just supposed to open it from the top.
I'm seeing it now.
What?
Right here. I would have been more prepared if I'd known. Uh-oh. About to lose our camera. Okay, so that should do it. Alright, go for it, LockPickingKid. Keep it in frame, yeah. Okay. It says, look inside.
Okay.
Well, you could read that, can't you?
Yep. Ooh.
What do you got?
I don't know what this is.
Well, you're looking at the wrong way, man. This.
But.
That's Southampton Lock Picking Club's sticker and keychain.
Ooh.
So that's pretty cool. That's something you want to keep.
I'll go ahead and set that to the side right there. Ooh.
Ooh, why don't you just open it up? See what it is. Frame framer. This is the frame. Yeah.
It's a Yale lock. I can tell that right now.
Well, it says Yale on top, but let's see here. Just for fun, South
Lock picking cup.
Club. So it could be a Yale, just depending on what the yeah, it is a Yale keyway. We read the letter, right? And there were a few challenge locks. Challenge locks. That's right. So that may be one of them.
Yeah.
So why don't you? There's more in this bag.
But oh, I never realized that. And this is another challenge lock. Yep.
This right here. There we are.
And it's another Yale. Ooh. Look on the lock. It has a little airplane.
Oh, well, you're not showing the camera.
The lock has a little tiny airplane on it.
Come closer. Over here. Here. You hold it. I'm just trying to show you how to get close to the camera. There you go.
And then there's a little airplane on the side right there.
Yeah, that is pretty cool. And so that's another Yale.
And I have no clue how we're going to get that.
Wasn't that one of Yale was one of the first, your first challenge lock you made?
Yeah.
Yeah. And this says just plain. You get it?
Yeah.
So that's funny. Just plain. Another challenge lock for LockPickingKid.
It said just plain fun. Ooh. Stock for. Does that spell warning? Because I can't really read it.
Stock for making challenge locks.
Oh.
Oh,
so that's to make challenge locks with.
Mm-hmm. So you could make we'll make your second challenge lock.
That's going to be fun.
This right here. Okay, since I got the tape off.
Wow.
For you.
It's actually very hard for me to get tape off.
Yeah. Okay, so get those out. Go ahead. So
Here's.
Well, look at that.
Ooh,
Real
I
nice.
never ever saw that lock before.
Use your other hand to bring that. Here, take it. Yeah.
I never saw a lock like that.
Yeah, it says Jado. Jado.
I thought it said Jetto because
It could be Jado. It could be Jado. I don't know.
Let's just put that up there.
Well, you might want to find the key to it.
Yeah, I have to know. It might be this one.
Ooh, you're right.
Let's put that right.
Nice and shiny too, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. So let's not mix those up now.
Another
so
Jetto.
I have a feeling that they're all Jettos, so they're all gonna be.
I think I could tell the keys by the keyway.
But they both have the same keyway. All three of them do. So,
That's very neat.
so now you have 3 of these, and he wants you to make challenge locks of your own out of these.
Wow.
So that's really, really neat.
Mhm.
So let's put those up here.
That's going to be a lot of fun. Wait, so I get to make 3 more challenge locks.
Yep.
Wow.
Yeah, you have enough to make. Yep. So you have enough to make number 2, 3, and 4.
This is heavy.
Uh-huh.
Stock. That's all it says. Now I'm curious. Oh.
What is that?
I feel like
Hold.
this is like half of that lock that you're like picking.
Yes. So this right here is called a double euro, and what you're holding right now is called a half euro.
That is also very cool.
So you don't find those a lot here
Wow.
in America. So it's European. I believe the way do you want to try to open it?
Ooh. That's actually a very
Keep
cool
it.
way to open it.
Keep it in frame. Next, I think they installed
Wait,
them.
it goes. Does it have to go clockwise?
It can go both.
Yeah.
Okay, so how they actually install them are like this, I believe.
That is actually very.
So a lot of people pick. Well, to us it's upside down. I guess to them we pick that way, so we pick upside down to them. So, and isn't that neat?
Yeah.
But yeah, that's called a European profile. So that's very cool. Now those challenge locks, once you get those open, you gotta pass those along to someone else. Alright?
Okay, this is actually very heavy.
Keep it over here.
There's so many layers. You barely even get to the real layer. Ooh!
Oh man, look at that. Thing is huge.
8.
It's a nice, yeah. It's a beast, isn't it?
Yeah. That is humongous.
It's huge. We'll get the keys out.
Might as well just sit that down. It's like almost as heavy as that one master lock that's yellow.
Oh, the Master Lock 911?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But except it's just a little bit more heavier. I just realized you can't open it forwards. You have to open it backwards.
And you swing this. Yeah. That's a pretty thick shackle there.
Yeah. Oh, jeez.
Can you close it with the key being out? There you go.
Wow, that is actually very hard to even
That is
close
very
it with the
cool.
key out.
Yeah, that has a lot of spring tension on there, so that's gonna
Wow.
that's gonna be just as just as difficult as picking that
Yeah, that
911.
one. Yeah.
I'm not sure if these have serrations in there or not. This may be a blue belt lock, which you are a blue belt anyway. But very cool. What do you say to Southampton Lock Picking Club?
Thank you for all of this. That is actually a lot of locks. And I wasn't expecting so much in just a tiny box.
Yeah, and this came a long way too. So you want to find out where they came from?
Yep.
I'm not gonna ruin things here. And the kids love this. So we are, where are we at?
We are in North America.
Where are we at?
North?
Where we at right
The
there.
United States.
We're right here.
There. Oh, it's right there in Kentucky.
Yeah, Kentucky. And this traveled all the way.
Across the North Atlantic Ocean.
Yep. And
All the way to
all the way
Europe?
right here.
Was that in Europe?
Keep your head out of frame. Yes, it is in Europe.
Oh.
England is Southampton. It's the United Kingdom. So that came a long way, yeah?
Wow.
Kids love that, so. Anyway, okay. Let's check out. Are we done with yours? And we will be talking about our giveaway after.
Yeah.
Because both of us actually, we just hit. Oh, you still got something in there.
Oh, I never realized that.
But both LockPicking Kid and
Stop.
myself have
Now I'm
hit.
confused how I open it.
We hit
100 subscribers.
100 subscribers. So both of us got there, didn't we? And Starry Lock was a big help with that, yeah. He promoted us, and I think remember they promoted you, Southampton Lock Picking.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, they had a promo video for you though. So it's a double thanks to Southampton Lock Picking Club. There, you ended up, yeah. What you got? Did it say anything on there?
It did stop.
Stop, gotcha.
I'm literally tearing it open with the tape.
It's fine. we'll keep it in your. You can put it in your box and just keep it with all your locks.
There. Oh, it's
Alright,
another
show
one
the
of
camera.
those looks.
Another European style.
Yep. But except it's a little bit more shorter.
This is ERA, and what does the other one say here?
It's still a little bit shorter. Look. Compared to that.
It is.
That's
it
a
is,
little bit shorter.
yeah, so what does that tell you? Maybe. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, they're both 6 pins. I think. So this is a secure fast, and this is a ERA. Where's the keys to that one?
Right here.
Does it say anything besides ERA on there?
ERA, that's all.
Yeah, we're just not sure. So that's something for you to practice on as well. Let's see what.
Oh, it doesn't go. A second ago, like I couldn't turn it clockwise. It's probably just because the key wasn't in all the way. It's another one that can go either way.
All right. Okay, so let's get all your stuff over here. Don't forget your sticker.
I think I will just put all of those locks back inside here.
Yeah, but you want to make sure you pad it and stuff like that. You don't want to. All right, so watch out now. I'm using this. Okay, now it's my turn. And of course, whatever I end up picking, LockPickingKid will eventually inherit. And of course, he's working on the Chicago Duo right now, so there's quite a few locks that I don't give away to other people because I want to make sure that he picks them as well. So
like the Duo. Oh, you have a little look inside thing too.
I do. Look inside.
It might actually be one of those things too.
You gonna run it for me, LockPickingKid?
Maybe.
Yeah. Alright, cool.
It is. Wow.
So we got a keychain, which I'll be putting on one of these locks in here, and a sticker as well. I did have a display out for a while, but we got a new cat. What's his name?
Loki.
And Loki likes to come up here, and he thinks that this is his desk. I guess it is now. So, I try to keep that stuff on display whenever I'm picking. I used to just keep it there. Now I forget, so I'll have to remind myself every now and then to keep them out. So, oh boy.
Whoa.
Yeah,
That's cool.
There are different keys on here. Oh, Vic's Picks. I know Vic's Picks. Number 0. I don't know if it's 02 or 02. Vic's Picks 2.
I think it's 02.
It's probably 2. That's interesting. So I think this. I don't know what's that. What is that to? That's like the 4 different things, right?
Wow.
So I guess we'll find out as we get in a little bit deeper.
Like, what if...
Another shout. Go ahead.
What if all of those keys just went to one whole lock? That'd just be crazy.
That would be crazy. I have no idea. So this is round 1. I'm assuming the first one by Pickaholic. So it's Pickaholic. I'm sorry I didn't get close.
So...
for Vic's Picks. I don't know if it's 02 or 02, but there are 4 different keys on here, and that is just intimidating. I have no idea what's going on there. So, yeah, so this is a round 1 for Pickaholic. It looks like it's actually been opened.
Wait.
And I have a mummified key here, so let's see if that turns and closes. Sure does. Okay. So that's really neat. I don't think there's any room up there for me, is there?
Wow. We might actually mix them all up.
Yeah, so let's do like you said. That's a nice ace. Look at that. Very nice locks.
And I'll keep the sticker in the keychain out.
Put some bubble in there. Let's see here.
Oh.
Oops. We're not gonna hurt them, are we?
Yep.
Oh, you got a lot.
These sets are
pick
very
at.
soft.
Yep, and these are yours. Just put those aside. Everyone watching's like, hurry up, man. Get this over with. Okay, so we're still curious about that Vicks pick. Number 2.
The joke was actually very
Oh,
good.
and remind me about the 100 subscriber giveaway. It's
Oh, yeah.
at the end of this.
Are we going to do a video in just a minute after this?
No, we are going to whenever we get the stuff that we're going to give away in.
Oh, yeah.
So we have to order.
I already have my stuff.
Okay, so is this to this? I did read. Let's see here. I don't know. We'll just keep this out for now. I don't know what that. I do love challenge locks, that's for sure. Here's another challenge, or I believe it would be, yeah. So this is VP. I don't know if it's D2 or 02. So.
I think that's from the same, like, it's the same thing on this one. Like, that came in the package.
And I don't know what this is. I guess we'll.
That's what I'm wondering.
Me too.
I'm curious because it doesn't have, like, a title.
I wonder if there's 4 locks to this. You know, if that makes sense. So, like, is there?
Maybe
Is this? Or is it,
one of those go to that?
Is this a Yale? It is. Okay.
Oh, it goes to that.
So I think
Maybe one of those go to that.
that's why it said 02 on the side. Vicks picks at VP. I don't know if this says VP on it though. I don't see 02. That looks more like a wafer lock.
Oh.
Sure thing. Okay, this will be interesting.
So we already got 2 down with those keys. Now we have to get 2 more things without keys.
Well, Vic definitely made something really interesting, didn't he?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Okay.
Ooh.
So this is UCOF 14 Alpha.
Wait, the A stands for alpha.
Yeah, or this is what I say. That's so this is obviously a challenge log, but I don't think this is part of VIX. But we're going to figure out who that came from.
That might even be the name.
It could be the name of it, yeah. Okay, so this one is called Splice by Pickaholic.
One of mine said Pickaholic too.
It's a mummified key.
I feel like yours are all
Splice.
I feel like yours are.
This has been opened as well.
Wow.
Oh, this is gonna be fun. Like it's Christmas, right?
Yeah.
It's without a doubt the largest package. I mean, I think this is easily doubling my lock collection. So we're looking for. Here we are. This is called the Transcendence by Pickaholic. So that looks fun. That'll be interesting. Transcendence. I love the movie. I don't know if that's anything. This is a. See, this used to be a double euro, but they unscrewed it, and so that they use. You understand what I'm saying?
Oh, now I
Yeah.
see it.
So that's. So this one
is one of
It doesn't
those
say.
names that I have right here.
Yeah, it's like a euro. Yeah.
It's like my small one.
Yeah. So I don't know if this is a challenge. Most likely it is. I'm trying to keep stuff in frame up there. Okay. Let's. I'm curious. Look at that one. Oh, and there it is. So this is from Vic's Picks.
Oh,
This is from Vic as well. Look at that. Look at the bidding on that.
that is so... Wow. I
That-
bet that's going to be hard to pick.
Okay, so I'm assuming
There.
we just
Where's my
missed
box?
one. Right here. Sure it is. So we found out 4 of them.
I need to go get a
So
chair.
UCOF 14 Alpha.
Is
is-
actually Vic's Picks.
Yeah, it's still. It might be a V actually, but still, they all 4 belong to this, so that's really cool.
I need to go get a chair. These my legs are moving.
Okay, that's fine. Gold Gun, let's see, number 22, Splinter by Boy Bilbo 81. I've heard his name being mentioned so much, and I keep forgetting to subscribe. I hear a lot about Boy Bilbo. So this is his number 22, Splinter. Again, it's by Boy Bilbo.
Wait. Bilbo from
Bo-
the movie Hobbit.
The Hobbit, yeah. That's right. So, make sure that everything out of here. This is heavy.
Wow. I feel like that's almost as heavy as my ace that I have. Wait, if it's heavy to you, then that must be heavier than the ace.
Oh, you wanna try to hold it?
Yeah. Okay, yeah. That's like as heavy as the ace.
Oh no way! Oh, that's right, the squires. I was
looks
thinking.
like a taser.
So this is a Squire SS50 CP5. Look at that, man. Look at that.
It looks like a police officer taser.
That is awesome.
Because like, the way that it looks like it is like, if you hold it like that, then it looks
Can
like
you
a
hold it?
police officer taser.
Police officer taser.
Yeah, because look, that's the little part that shoots out.
Sort of. This doesn't say anything on there. This.
Yeah, this is about.
I'll definitely have to ask because there's 3 keys here, but one is to. I don't know if it's just a backup or if it's maybe a master key. I don't know. Here, bring it over here. Get that out of the frame. That's a trophy right there. So we got a dead core. Dead shit. Look at that. That's awesome. So it's lubed up real nice. Look at that.
That's just cool.
Now this is a heck of a package. So
I like my package
Well.
too.
that is quite the mail call today, huh?
Yeah.
So Boy Bilbo, we need to put that back in there. And I'm just really stuck by that Squire. Well, thank you so much, you guys at Southampton LockPickingKid Club. We'll definitely have to get you back. Anyway, so since we're talking about packages here, what are we going to be doing?
We're going to be doing the giveaway.
The giveaway for our 100 subscribers.
Yep.
So both of us, I think I just said this, but LockPickingKid and myself, we both just hit 100 subscribers. As I said, I haven't been on YouTube for maybe a week or so. I'll be getting back at it soon. And so, as of right now, the only requirement is that you're subscribed to both of us, and I think most people are. Whenever they find out that I'm his father, or vice versa, they'll subscribe. So it's a pretty cool setup we've got going on. But you have to be subscribed to both of us. I don't know what we're gonna do. What do you think we should make them do, like a challenge sort of thing, or?
I already have the thing inside here.
No. We're not going to show anything yet. And actually, I found the one that you were talking about. Okay, we'll give you a preview of one of the prizes. LockPickingKid, you want to show them?
Yeah.
Make sure you get all the way up in the camera.
This was recently going to be it, but it ended up being Loki's chew toy.
Yeah, one of the swords, but so you just get the ninja guy and the sword. But there's gonna be a lot more to the giveaway than just this. But since LockPickingKid loves Legos, he's decided to give one of his away. So other than that, you have to be subscribed to both of us, and that's probably the next video that we're gonna make together. We're gonna put it on both of our channels, giving you the details. But again, thanks a lot, Southampton Lockpicking Club. He's been very, very enthusiastic, and very outgoing with the locksport community. Very, very supportive of both my son and myself. So if you're not to him or them, should I say, go ahead and subscribe. They're just great people. So thank you so much for the wonderful packages. LockPickingKid, you want to say thank you?
Thank you.
And I think that's all we have to say, right? So we'll get back to them with a package of our own. We're gonna send it all the way to
Europe.
To Europe, that's right. And we'll get back to you with that 100 subscriber giveaway here soon. So take care. You gonna say bye?
Bye.
Bye.